Hey Furies, today I'm going to show you how I got this old school quick weave with the 1B honey blonde, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying. Now first off, I want to start off by saying this video is not a tutorial, okay? This is just how I do my hair. A lot of people don't agree with it, but I do, and that's all that matters, okay? But no, in all seriousness, back in the day, people used to glue their tracks in all the time. So I'm like, hey, especially with the prices and these hairstylists nowadays, I can't afford it, you know? So I'm just gonna do my hair how I've been doing my hair. Honestly, this video isn't anything new. If you're new to this video, I will put in the cards above my other old school quick weave videos, but this one isn't really going to be much of a talk through. But I do want to say that I will be getting tape-ins very soon because this process doesn't last me as long as I would like it to. Like I want this style to last for like a month and a half. So I'm looking into getting tape-ins or doing tape-ins. And you guys know I'm going to do that on the channel for y'all. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. All the specs for this video will be down below in the description box, along with the hair, the tools that I use, the links, all that stuff. I'm just going to let you guys watch the video. And yeah, remember you guys, stay furious. Bye.